Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're tired of constantly reapplying your brow product or struggling to find a gel that can withstand your day, then this review might just be a game changer for you. Today, we're diving into the WUNDERBROW Eyebrow Gel, a product that promises long-lasting, waterproof, smudge-proof brows that could stay put for up to 3 days. Intrigued? Well, stay tuned. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on more beauty tips and tricks. Now let's get right to it. The WUNDERBROW Eyebrow Gel is a unique 3-in-1 solution designed to shape, tint, and set your brows with one easy application. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and infused with hair-like fibers, which give the brows a natural, fuller look. The formula claims to blend well with brow hairs, even if your brows are sparse or need a bit of a fill. And what's really exciting is that it promises a soft matte finish for that real brow look. No shiny or cakey finish here. The shade I'm testing is black brown, which is quite universal for most brow shades, but I would say it leans a bit more on the dark side. So if you have lighter or blonde brows, you might want to opt for a different shade. In terms of application, the product comes with a double-ended brush. One side has an angled brush for precise application, and the other features a spoolie for blending and softening the brows. This makes it really versatile, whether you want more defined brows or just a natural, feathered look. When I first tried this, I was honestly skeptical about how long-lasting it really could be, especially in terms of wear. I applied it in the morning, using the angled side to fill in the sparse areas, and then combed through with the spoolie for that soft finish. The formula was easy to work with. It wasn't too thick or too runny, which made it a breeze to control the intensity of the color. Fast forward to later in the day, and let me tell you, this stuff does not budge. I was honestly impressed by how well it stayed intact, even after running errands in the rain. As for the 3-day claim, I didn't leave it on for that long. I don't recommend keeping brow gel on for that long either, but I can confidently say it lasted well through my 8-hour workday without needing a touch-up. Now let's talk about the pros. First, the formula lives up to its waterproof and smudge-proof promises. It can withstand some serious wear without fading, and that's a huge win for anyone with busy days or oily skin. The brush applicator is also a major bonus. It gives you a lot of control over the application, and that spoolie really helps to perfect the look. On the flip side, the cons would be that the product can feel a bit stiff once it sets, especially if you have very sparse brows that require a lot of filling. The stiffness isn't unbearable, but it's worth noting if you prefer a softer, more flexible feel. Also, while the color is buildable, it can be easy to go too dark if you're not careful with the application. So what about value for money? At its price point, it's definitely on the higher end compared to some drugstore alternatives. But if you're looking for something that actually holds up throughout the day, without fading or smudging, I think it's a fair investment. Plus, the product lasts quite a long time, since a little goes a long way. If you're looking for a more affordable alternative, you could try something like the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel, which offers similar smudge-proof benefits at a lower price, but it doesn't quite have the same natural finish or staying power as the WUNDERBROW. Now on to build quality. The gel comes in a sleek tube that feels high-end, and the double-ended brush is pretty solid, making it easy to get the application right. The packaging is sturdy and compact, so it's travel-friendly too. As far as customer support goes, I haven't needed to reach out to WUNDERBROW yet, but I've heard great things about their responsive customer service when it comes to inquiries and support. It's always nice to know a brand has your back if something goes wrong. If you're on the hunt for alternatives, there are definitely other brow gels out there. However, if you're looking for a product that combines all 3 aspects, shaping, tinting, and setting, in one go with staying power, this one does live up to the hype. So, what's the verdict? The WUNDERBROW Eyebrow Gel is definitely a winner if you're looking for something long-lasting, waterproof, and smudge-proof. It's ideal for those who have sparse brows, need a reliable product for all-day wear, or simply want to skip the hassle of constant touch-ups. If you don't mind a bit of stiffness in the finish and you're willing to invest a little more for lasting results, I'd say go for it. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you've already tried WonderBrow, drop a comment below and share your experience with us. And if you're looking to grab it, the link to purchase is in the comments or description box. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.